What's going on, everybody? Alex here, and welcome to yet another episode. Well, today, as you can see, this is the project of the video that you have just seen. So I'm going to show you guys very important tips and tricks to help you sound design your projects in Wondershare Filmora 15. Tip number 1, if you are using at least Filmora 15.7, there are transitions which are already sound designed. Under the transition table right here, you can see this category of SFX transitions. That means all these transitions that you are seeing right here already carries the sound effects that exactly matches that particular transition. You can take advantage of this feature whenever you are sound designing your transitions. Sound design trick number 2. Use the pitch effect to set your sound effects on different frequency or keys actually. Well, this is what I mean. If you want to sound design something that looks like is increasing or pitching up, then it's best for you to also change the pitch of the sound effect. For example, ting 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 sound effect. Trick number 3. This is all about layering your sound effects. If you apply this kind of a sound effect, it's good, but sometimes it's not just good enough. So what do you have to do in that matter? Duplicate the sound effects onto the trick below. This is going to produce a more deeper version of the same sound effect. Trick number 4. Right, select your sound effect in the timeline and then use this option right here, which is called show speed control. This allows you to drag shorter or longer according to the visual that you want that particular sound effect to match. Last but not least, this is about searching. If you use Wondershare Filmora, sometimes the sound effect that you want is not exactly titled the way you would expect, right? So I just want you to understand that titling may be a little different from the exact situation that we have on the ground or on your visuals. Combining all these sound designing tricks using Wondershare Filmora's latest creative library is all you need to create and sound design your next masterpiece. If you don't have Filmora, use the link in the description below to download it. Until I meet you in the next one, peace. What's going